Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get credit card for Discord Nitro. So if you want to avail Discord Nitro for your Discord and you don't have a credit card, this video will surely help you. So as you can see here, when we go to our Discord and go to our user settings, go to Nitro. You can see here two plans from Nitro, and you want to avail one from these plans. So when you click subscribe, you will choose, and let me choose this one because it's cheaper, and I'm gonna go click monthly, and you will be needed to select payment type, so a card, PayPal, or Gcash. So you don't have these three and you want to use a card, so you need to get a card for Discord Nitro, and here's what you need to do. Go and open a new tab on your browser and search for Skrill. So click the first link, and you need to go and register an account for Skrill for you to have your own card. So make sure to input your first name, your last name, your country, and the currency that you want to use for Skrill, your email, and password. So once you're done with that, just click register and do some reCAPTCHA quick and verify your email address. Once it's verified, you now have your Skrill account. So welcome to Skrill, and then go back to the first page that I showed you earlier and then click get your card. And after that, you will now have your own card that you can use to get your Discord Nitro. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.